Unraveling the mysteries of SpaceX's Swedish communications satellite. Meet the marvel of space engineering, SpaceX's Swedish communications satellite. It's transforming the way we connect, stream, and dream. This isn't your ordinary satellite. It's the epitome of Swedish ingenuity, blended with SpaceX's vision of a globally connected future. Ever wonder how we can stream movies, make video calls, or even navigate city streets? This Scandinavian star plays a crucial role in all these tasks. But it's not just about technology. It's about breaking barriers, fostering connections, and blazing trails in the cosmic frontier. This is what defines SpaceX's mission. Now, what's next for this celestial sentinel? With SpaceX's relentless innovation, the sky, or rather, space, is truly the limit. You've been on a space journey today. But this is just the beginning. Exploring our universe has never been more exciting or accessible. So, want to stay on the forefront of this space revolution? Click on the left side logo to subscribe. For more adventures, click on the right side video.